Today we are talking about variables in Python. So the variables in Python, it comes a variable as soon as you assign a value to it. So that variable is something we have to create ourselves. Um, let's see how variable works. Let's make it. So for example, if we start with a equal to 10, that's like a one variable. So if we show the value is going to be a, and if we print this one, and look, that shows the value 10. So let's make another variable. So if we make b equal to 20, and then we have to obviously print it out. So equal to b is 20. So now if we make another one which is going to be in a letters, so we need to create to print it, and now we print C. If we do the print C, now it will show us Johnny. Now if we make another one, for example D equal to 100.25, we can print, okay, it won't show because we have not printed out. So let's print, and it shows D, and here you go. So now you see it shows all the float numbers. So here we will come back to data types in a later in the next few videos. At the moment, just this for now. That look, this one is integers, like all numerics. This one is the same integer numeric. This one is a string, all letters basically. This one you see has a decimal point in there, which is, it is integer but it's a float numbers. So again, the data type, we will come back to it later on. At the moment for this, so when you create a variable, you need to keep a couple of things in mind before you create it. So the variable we create very simple, like you see we mentioned here a b c d, or we can just choose a name, for example address equal to, and then we could just write USA. So if we print this one, see, so it could be a small or it could be any descriptive name. Plus it should be what's the order? Yeah, so all the variable, it should start with a letter, or it could start with the underscore as well. For example, if we could see different kind of variables, so how we can start this. So for example, if we say mm, my name equal to Johnny, and if we go here and print my name, so there you go. So you see it does print. So we could create other way as well, like we could go my name equal to Johnny. Okay, yeah, we have not printed it yet, so let's go and print it. My underscore name. So here you go, you can print that way as well, or you can make all the capital letters, like my name equal to, again, just write, okay, I just write in a capital letters. Okay, let's call this one print. Print can't be bigger because a print is a built-in function, so we just need to just go small letters print my. So you see my compiler already picked it up, so we can print that way. So you see now it comes in a bigger letter. So the variable we cannot make with, for example, if something start with number, like 2, my name equal to John Owen. So you see it's already highlighted it, then the variable you cannot create with the numbers, so we cannot do that. Okay, the other one, the same thing, we cannot use any hyphen or any other letters in there. It could be only underscore like we did here. So the underscore is acceptable, but not the hyphen. Hyphen is not acceptable, we can't make that one. Or we cannot put any space in there. My name equal to Andrew. So you see it's already show a red line, which means it's going to give us an error. Let's try it. And here you see invalid syntax, which means this is not the valid syntax. We can't use those things. And so all these letters, they're all cap sensitive letters. So for example here, this is a small letter. We could use a capital A and equal to 200. So if we do that, it won't give us an error now because all capital. If you use a capital, it's different. If you use a small letter, it take it different. So but we need to print capital A, and now you can see it shows us 200. We have recreated here 200, and it shows us here 200. So there are few cases which we can create a variable like a camel case. So in that case, all the letters, for example, if it's a descriptive variable where you have, for example, a long name, for example, let me just write a new one here. For example, we can say my variable, my variable name is equal to, just write a value Python. So here, this, so if you want to make it in a camel way, it needs to be, first letter need to be bigger, so it actually can be readable. Like if you see right now, it's really hard to understand what is written. My variable name is really hard. So if you do in a camel case, so it goes to every letter you make it capital, every letter beginning one, camel, and a name. Okay, my variable, so now it's easy to understand my variable name, and this one called a camel case. So if you want to make another one, which is name, okay, yeah, you can, there's another one which is a Pascal case. So the Pascal case, let me show you. Pascal case is kind of same, where you have same my my variable and the capital name is a kind of same. I think, let me, okay, yeah, there's a difference. The difference is in here, in a camel case, you need to have first letter capital, okay, and in here, in the Pascal case, you need to have every letter, the new one, start with a capital letter. So you see here, my and a variable v and a name is n, start with the Pascal. And then we have another case which is a snack case. So the snack case is basically, let's comment it out. So the snack case is basically, you can go every word you make put underscore in the middle. My variable name equal to you can just write PHP. So these are like a 3 different ways you can write Python. If it's a descriptive variable, it's a long, so you see in the first one you can make a first variable capital. I ideally myself I prefer this one, snake case, which is with the underscore, which is very easy to read. There is no spaces, you can't put the numbers in, obviously it will give you the error otherwise in the beginning. And yeah, that's it. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in the next one.